Okay, in this video I would like to tell you about apps, another important concept in SAMSON. Apps are generic tools that can be used to perform many different tasks. They appear in two different places in the SAMSON interface, either here in the app menu or here in the app toolbar. So apps are SAMSON classes that can be included in SAMSON elements and that have a user interface to be able to modify parameters. And I can add and remove apps from SAMSON Connect. So let's do it right now. Let's say I go here on SAMSON Connect, I'm logged in. This SAMSON element is a demo of adaptive simulation that contains an app. I add it. It tells me that it's pending now and I have to restart SAMSON, so I'm going to do just that. It's loading it. And now it's visible here. This ARPS demo. Okay, so an app can really have many different purposes and can be developed from scratch using the SAMSON SDK, or can be used, can wrap existing source code provided the license allows for it. So that's what we did, for example, with this Autodoc Vina. Autodoc Vina is a very popular tool for protein ligand docking that we will demonstrate in another video. And thanks to its license, it was possible to include it in a SAMSON element and make very simple interface for it that makes it very easy to dock a ligand into a protein, a receptor. Okay, so apps could also actually be used to connect to web services, as here this simple app that connects to the protein data bank. I can enter PDB code and download the protein. An app can also be used to connect to another external executable, for example through the disk or through the network, for example to start a simulation, to start calculations on a cluster. Many different tasks. It's basically a program that's included in SAMSON. And thanks to the exposition mechanism, apps can actually be pipelined, call each other, call force fields, etc., etc. But we'll talk more about that in further videos. So, in summary, an app is a generic tool that's included in SAMSON. Many apps can be active at the same time. They're added and removed from SAMSON Connect, like other SAMSON classes included in SAMSON elements. And they can have many different purposes and be written from scratch or to wrap existing source code. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.